One signature bada for Jonathan.
Hello Jolly Natex! New cafe alert dito sa South na confident ako na bukod sa pagiging aesthetic ng place, magugustuhan nyo rin yung mga iba't ibang unique drink selections na ino-offer nila dito. Samahan mo pa yan ng mga Korean-inspired snacks and rice meals. Yan at marami pang ibang matitikman nyo. Dito lang yan sa Cafe Bada na located dito sa 4th floor ng The Edge Building along CAA Road, Las Piñas City. Wasteable din sila, inyong pinaka-landmark is halos tawid lang ng Southville International School and Colleges. At pagpasok nyo nga, agaw pansin talaga yung ganda ng interior nila. They have this ocean theme vibe na hindi mo usually makita sa ibang cafe. No wonder since Bada means sea or ocean, which explains their motive. Pagdating naman sa menu, unahan ko na kayo, napaka-reasonable ng price nila dito considering the ambience of the place. By the way, self-service nga pala sila dito. After nyo umorder, bibigyan kayo netong paging device at pag tumunog na nga yan, kayo na mismo yung kukuha ng orders nyo. And syempre, sumubok na kami ng ilan sa mga bestsellers nila dito, starting with their cheesy French toast with honey and whipped cream on the side. Sakto to for breakfast with a combination of creamy, cheesy, and sweet flavor. Tapos ang sarap ng pagkakatoast sa bread. Must try naman tong kanilang Korean street sandwich with chips on the side. Loaded yung serving nito. May ham, cheese, scrambled egg, lettuce, and kimchi. As in makaisa ka lang neto, busog at satisfied ka na. For pasta naman, we tried their carbonara, and unlike other carbonara, this is served with sunny side up egg, which makes it somehow close on how an authentic carbonara is made. Creamy at al dente ng pasta. Meron din silang garlic tapa served with sukang pinakurat. Nothing beats the classic ng mga Pinoy almusal, ang lambot ng beef, and tingin ko mapapa-extra rice kayo dito. Ang sarap nga rin itong kanilang dak galbi dukbap served with kimchi, and kung katulad namin kayong mahilig sa Korean food, sakong-sakto rin sa inyo to. They also have their chicken tenders drizzled with their 3 kinds of sauce. Napaka-generous nga rin ng serving nito, and kung may kids kayo, I think magugustuhan nila to. For desserts naman, kids will also love the biscoff craffles, and for drinks naman, they have the mango milk and strawberry milk. Nagustuhan talaga yan ni Bunso since parang umiinom lang sila ng yogurt. Ito naman yung kanilang Coco Pandan, which is part of their coconut series. Refreshing, creamy at lasang-lasa mo talaga yung pagkapandan flavor. Dito lang din akong una nakatikim nitong kanilang ube caramel macchiato. Napaka-unique nga nito, yung lasa niya parang naghahalo yung caramel sa ube halaya. Ang solid nga rin itong kanilang Nutty Biscoff Bliss, naghahalo yung sarap ng biscoff dun sa parang Reese's chocolate flavor. Try nyo to, promise. And for their signature drinks naman, we tried their Bada Latte na ang lakas maka-summer drink. It has a mixture of saltiness and sweetness na may saktong tapang ng espresso. Kung pampagising naman ang habol nyo, they also have hot drinks, and we tried their Americano with milk. Open nga pala sila dito from Monday to Thursday from 10 AM to 10 PM at Friday to Sunday naman from 10 AM to 12 AM. Kaya naman sa mga taga Las Piñas dyan or nearby area sa South na naghahanap ng bagong cafe spot to chill, dayuhin nyo na nga rin dito sa Cafe Bada. So paano, until our next food trip?